We're told that for the final 5 seconds of its flight, a drone travels at a constant velocity of -4 meters per second. Which multiplication equation could represent the drone's change in position? Pause this video, have a go at that. Okay, now let's just do this together. So the first thing you might be wondering is, what does it mean to have a constant velocity of -4 meters per second? Why do we have that negative there? Well, when we talk about velocity, we care about its direction. And usually someone would say if it's positive or negative, maybe negative means going to the left, positive means going to the right, or maybe it's a change in altitude. Although here it looks like it's horizontal velocity, and so maybe it's moving to the left, whatever left means in this situation. And so if you want to figure out the drone's change in position, what we want to do is multiply its velocity, so -4 meters per second, and you want to multiply it times the amount of time. So times 5 seconds is going to get us to -20, and the units work out. Meters per second times seconds is meters, so -20 meters. So let's see which of these equations actually match that, and they didn't put the units here, which is fair game. So essentially we just want to see -4 times 5 is equal to -20, which is this first choice right over here. This -4 times -5, this doesn't make sense. That would mean negative time here. This one over here would imply negative time and a positive velocity, which wasn't what we're talking about. And this one right over here would imply a positive velocity and a positive displacement or a positive position, which also would not be the case.